bought a used phone online last week. It rang before I even turned it on. It was still sealed in the box, no SIM card, no charge. Yet at exactly 2:11 a.m. it buzzed. Caller ID said unknown saved contact. I thought it was a glitch, but when I picked it up, I heard breathing. Then a soft voice said, "You're holding it wrong." It remembers touch. I checked the call log. No number, no duration. But under recents, there was a name me 4 days later. I left the phone in the drawer. The next morning, my fingerprints wouldn't unlock my actual phone. It kept saying, "New owner verified." I checked the used one again and it was unlocked. My wallpaper, my apps, my photos, even one I never took, me sleeping. The timestamp read, tomorrow, 2:11 a.m., the same time the call came in last night. I didn't answer it then, but I think I already did.